We find ourselves on a rainy day where the waters outside are here to help us wash away that which is not serving us inside, that which has another dimension to reside, that which we are able to now let go. My invitation to you is to take a breath here. Notice what your natural breathing looks like. Notice where you're breathing. Are you breathing in your chest? Are you breathing in your belly? Notice without trying to change what is already there. From here, take another breath. Notice again. Stay with this present moment. Notice how just noticing you can shift things. Notice how just noticing things move on their own. From here, we will move into a body scan using the imagery of water and the sound to help us move through and wash away whatever is present, no longer in resonance with our energy, our own vibration. Taking a breath in, calling in any of your spirit guides, your higher self, God, the universe, nature, whatever works for you. Allow yourself to be supported here and pull in these guides. Pull in your connection. And from here, take what resonates, leave the rest. We move forward with our intention, saying your intention out loud 3 times. Go ahead. Nice. And from here, we move forward in our scan. Using the water imagery, allowing the water to flow from the top of your head down to your forehead, space where your third eye is, your eyebrows, the back of your head, your nose, your eye sockets, your eyeballs. How do they move? How do they sit? Your temples. Visualizing this water washing them down. Moving to your cheekbones and your jaw. Can you relax your jaw a little bit more? Can you release any tension in your tongue? Would a swallow help you feel more release right now? Notice what feels good, what your body is ready to return to, what you are remembering it might need. Moving forward with your imagery and focusing your awareness on the mouth, the teeth, the tongue, the jaw, the throat. Noticing where your head connects to your spine. Bringing your awareness down your spine and around your neck. And noticing that space is there. Allowing the water to rinse off and rinse down anything as we move our awareness down to our shoulders. Imagining the water rinsing off anything as we move down the left arm. Moving down that energy line. Feeling your awareness maybe in the shoulder and the bicep and tricep. Washing the front and back of the elbow, the forearms, the hands. Every finger that is present on that hand. And the space between each of those fingers as well. Bringing your awareness to that palm and allowing that water to come up. Connecting to your shoulder and moving over from your left side to your right side. On the right side, moving down that water, of the right shoulder, the bicep or tricep, the elbow on both sides, the forearm, the wrist, the palm of the hand, and each finger present on that hand, the space in between each finger as well. Breathing your awareness up, flat arm, and connecting back into your center heart space. From this center heart space, we will continue onward. You can plant roots from this space or from the root of your spine if that imagery works for you. Allowing yourself to feel connected, moving your awareness in your heart space, your lungs, your ribs, the back of your ribs. Moving your awareness down power center, your sweet intestines, your sweet belly space, lower back. Spending a moment of awareness, allowing the water to wash out as well. Your hips, your pelvic bowl, your booty, your backside, your glutes. And spend a moment here and see if you can just spend some awareness using the water to release just 1% more. Using this water to release and relax. Moving your awareness further down your pelvic floor, the tip of your spine, your root. Allow yourself to feel connected and send down your own roots to the energy of the land, releasing to earth with our gratitude so that it can be transmuted, that we can be a clearer channel for our own highest good, so that that impact can ripple to others. With your awareness in that hip space now, moving down the left leg, left thigh, hamstrings, knee, your calf, your shin, left ankle, left heel, and each of the toes. Noticing the toes and the space in between. Can you point your awareness to one particular spot here? Nice. Moving our awareness up through the leg, up, up, up. And up back again to that hip space. Connecting over through our hips. Moving on our right side. Our right leg. Thigh, hamstring, knee, backside of the knee. Your calf. Your ankle, your heel, the ball of your foot, and every toe, and the space in between. Noticing that sensation now, noticing this space, and allowing your awareness to now move back up that leg and connect it here. Connect back to the roots you planted, whether at the base of your spine or in your heart. And allow yourself to feel connected here. Hear how the water has shifted on your journey. Hear how the birds have begun to sing. Notice something different. Notice what is different now than the moment that we started. I invite you to give gratitude to yourself, to the energies that have held you in this moment, to the ancestors and guides that might have shown up for you or connected with, to yourself for making time for you, to the land for holding you, for the indigenous practices that we have the honor to learn from our indigenous teachers and guides. Taking a moment here to take what resonates, leave the rest, and allow yourself just to be. As the rain naturally comes to an end, we find the end of our meditation here. A space you can always return to. Taking a deep breath and coming back now. Thank you. This is Anna with Co-Creating with Love. Feel free to check out my page on Instagram or my website, cocreatingwithlove.com, if you are interested in learning more meditations, more mindset stuff, or trauma therapy, yeah? So much love. Thank you for showing up for you. Until next time.